Alright y'all boys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jumoke. So today what I'm going to be doing, I don't know why my edges are looking so shot. I think it's just the lighting because you guys are going to see in the next scene. My edges don't look that bad. Y'all, it's the alopecia. Anyways, you guys know I'm not really into butters and a lot of emollients, but I don't know why. I just got the smart idea that, I want to try a butter that's lightweight, that's not as heavy as shea butter, but gives me the same softening effect. So I was doing a lot of research and I'm like, okay, well, why don't I just try mango butter? You know, it just makes sense. So really what you see here is that I washed my hair, clay washed my hair, and then I conditioned my hair. So I actually have no product in my hair. I wanted to see how the mango butter was going to react to just my own hair. So I did a braid out and I did, I applied my mango butter just a little bit, as much as you would apply maybe shea butter. And I applied a little bit more on the ends. And y'all, when I took the thing out, my hair was soft, honey. I was shook. My hair wasn't greasy. It wasn't weighed down. It didn't give me the same effect as shea butter. And I was actually really surprised. I don't think it's something I would do very often because you guys know I give myself an allowance. This is the next day. And you guys can see, my edges are not that bad. And you can see, so I rocked it for maybe a couple days and it was so soft. But yeah, I only give myself like 1 week out of the month to play with my hair, but usually it's just wash and go city. That's what's really been helping me to retain all of my length, most of it, and keep my hair really, really hydrated. But yeah, I love mango butter. I'm so surprised because I don't know, I just thought all butters were the same, but I will try more lightweight moisturizing butters and see how my hair fares with that. The only thing with butters and oils and emollients, you guys know it's not really water soluble, so it does take a little bit more for me to clean my hair. I would have to use something just a little bit stronger, but I do shampoo my hair about once a month anyway, so this is right before I was gonna shampoo it anyway, so I did not mind. But yeah, that's my results, guys. Y'all need to try it for yourself. Try it for yourself, especially if you have fine hair. It did not weigh down my hair at all, as you guys can see, and my hair wasn't greasy. I guess it would depend on how much you use, but my hair was not greasy. It was very fluffy, very airy. Yeah, I enjoyed it. And then now I'm just showing you guys a little length check because your girl done hit 2 years. Whoa, not 2 years, I'm lying, 7 years. 7 years being natural, but it was 2 years that I was growing out my taper cut. So that's what you see. That's straight from bald, guys. Straight from bald, not the top, but at least the back and the sides, bald. So, yep, that's my video. Just a really short video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you have fine hair, have you used any butters on your hair? Which butters work on your hair? I would like to know, and I will see you guys later. Bye.